Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at verbs, and previously we looked at nouns. So, nouns are people, places, and things. So, what are verbs? Verbs are things that we do, so things that the nouns can do. And this is part 3 of verbs. So, let's jump right in. First, we have came. Came is the past version of coming to a specific place. So if I say, come here, come, then you, if you were able, would be coming to me. So you came to me because I asked you. Next will be want. Want is to wish or think for a particular thing or plan of action. So this man will want a piece of cake because he is thinking about it. So want is I want some food, or I want a pen, or I want a paper. So these are all things that we can want. The next one is show. Make it possible to see something. So hang on, what can I show you? Ah, I can show you my cap. So I have a cap. I am showing you the cap. It has a non-bendable front, it has a floppy backside, and the feeling of it is very soft. And it says Sniper Africa on it. So therefore, I show you the cap. Next we have set. So set is to put something in a specific place or position. Now, as an example, you can see that I have set the date behind me. I have also set one of my student letters behind me and a painting that I made with some friends, sorry. So these are all set in place. They do not move unless I take them down. They are set. Now we have put. Put means to move something or someone into a designated place or position or direction. So, let's say I have a pencil here, but it will not stay here and my arm will get very tired. So I put the pencil down and now it's not in my hand anymore. So where do you put things? Ask is to make a request or to put a question to someone. So, what would you like to know? That was a question. So I ask you, what would you like to know? Next is went. Went is the past tense of going somewhere. So where did you go yesterday? You can answer, I went to the shops yesterday. So where did you go will change to I went. Then we have read, and read is to look at words or symbols that tell you something or give you understanding. So read, you need a book and you need information on the pages so that you can read. Next one is need. To have something or to want something very much. So if I'm very thirsty, I need to drink water, right? So that is a need. Move is to cause the change of position of a person or thing. So we can move the couch, we can move the house, we can move the boy or the girl, right? These are all people and things that we covered in the noun section. Next one, we have try. So try is to attempt something and to test something to see if it is suitable or useful for you to do. So she wants to write, but she has already tried so many times. So this girl will try to write. Then we have change. Change is to exchange one thing for another thing, mostly to a similar type of item. So if I say, Oh, I have a red pen, but I'm looking for my green one. So I want to change to the green one. It's still a pen, it's just a different color. Then we have play. When you spend time doing something you enjoy and you do not receive money for it. So, this is when you're having fun, you're just outside enjoying yourself, or you're building something. This is playing. So, mostly children like to play, but sometimes big people like to play too. I really hope that this has helped you. Enjoy your day.